Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to crop a video in Canva so we can focus on the most important parts of our content. Cropping helps improve framing and makes our videos look more polished. Now, on our Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click the video. We will then see the crop option at the top. Once we click it, we can choose the size we want. We can go with the original or the freeform option. As you can see, we can adjust it by dragging the edges to make it smaller. We can also pick a preset size, like a square, 1 by 1, or 16 by 9, or even 9 by 16. We can still fine-tune the size after that. For example, let's make it a bit smaller. It all depends on what we need and how we want to adjust the crop. We can also hover over the preset sizes to see more options. Once we are happy with the size, we just need to click Done. And just like that, the video is cropped and looks much cleaner. That is how easy it is to crop a video in Canva.